What are the limits on freedom of speech in the U.S.? In recent discussions, the limits on freedom of speech in the United States have become a hot topic. With ongoing legal cases and social media debates, many are asking what these limits actually entail. Just yesterday, a high-profile case brought attention to the balance between free expression and public safety. If you are curious about what speech is protected and what is not, you are not alone. Freedom of speech is guaranteed by the First Amendment, but it is not without restrictions. The government cannot create laws that limit speech based solely on its content. Such laws must meet a strict standard, serving a compelling government interest while being narrowly tailored. This means that most content-based restrictions are likely to be seen as unconstitutional unless they meet this high bar. One major limit is incitement to imminent lawless action. If speech is intended to provoke immediate illegal acts, it is not protected. True threats also fall outside the realm of protected speech. Statements meant to intimidate or threaten violence can lead to legal consequences. Obscenity is another area where speech can be regulated. Certain sexually explicit materials that meet legal definitions of obscenity can be restricted. Additionally, defamation laws exist to protect individuals from false statements that harm their reputation. Speech that is integral to criminal conduct can also be limited. This includes any speech that is part of illegal activity. National security is another significant factor. The government may restrict speech if it poses a clear and present danger to national security, but this requires concrete evidence. Political speech is highly protected under the First Amendment. Courts have often ruled that government regulation of political speech through campaign finance laws lacks a constitutional basis. This is because political speech is aimed at influencing policy and elections. Recent events highlight the tension between free speech and government interests. For instance, the ongoing case involving the social media platform TikTok raises questions about national security and potential overreach. The government has sought to restrict this platform without providing clear evidence, which has raised concerns among civil rights advocates. In schools, students do retain free speech rights, but these can be limited if the speech disrupts educational activities. This balance aims to protect both student rights and the learning environment. Understanding your rights means recognizing that while freedom of speech is broadly protected, there are specific types of speech that can be lawfully limited. These limitations exist to protect public safety and order, ensuring that the rights of all individuals are respected.